Welcome back to Serenity Sessions, Journey to Calmness. Today, we will guide you through a mindful breathing and visualization exercise. Mindful breathing and visualization is a practice where you combine deep breathing with positive mental imagery. It helps calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote relaxation. Find a comfortable seat and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing tension. As you continue breathing deeply, visualize yourself in a peaceful place, perhaps a serene beach or a tranquil forest. Imagine the sights, sounds, and sensations of this place, allowing yourself to relax deeper with each breath. Here are some tips for effective mindful breathing and visualization. 1. Choose a quiet, calming environment. 2. Use gentle, rhythmic breathing. 3. Engage all your senses in the visualization. 4. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the visualization. 5. Practice regularly to deepen relaxation. As you practice mindful breathing and visualization, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am calm and at peace. I am calm and at peace. I am calm and at peace. I breathe in relaxation and exhale tension. I breathe in relaxation and exhale tension. I breathe in relaxation and exhale tension. I am surrounded by serenity. I am surrounded by serenity. I am surrounded by serenity. Each breath brings me deeper into relaxation. Each breath brings me deeper into relaxation. Each breath brings me deeper into relaxation. I am present in this moment of tranquility. I am present in this moment of tranquility. I am present in this moment of tranquility. Thank you for joining us for this mindful breathing and visualization exercise. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, combining deep breathing with positive imagery can enhance relaxation and calmness. Stay tuned for more mindfulness practices in our next video. Namaste.